No, you're supposed to be at 37E.
No.
Ma'am.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody
It's right
up?
here.
It's also right here.
Hey, sir. There's an issue with her. On her app, it's saying 13E.
Seat 13E, a boarding pass that doesn't match the airline's records, a captain who has already made his decision, and a passenger who refuses to move, even as deputies close in. But when federal law gives the captain near absolute power, why did she think she could win?
No, you're supposed to be at 37E.
No.
Ma'am.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody
It's right
up?
here.
It's also right here.
I understand she didn't. Hey, sir. There's an issue with her. On her app, it's saying 13E.
No. You keep everything now. Everything has to come off this aircraft at this point. We do sincerely apologize.
So, I'm going to ask her to come out.
Would you please?
Will she come out? Does she have luggage
Yes.
with her?
She does have a personal item on a carry-on.
Okay.
Yeah. She's insistent that you don't have to offload everyone.
How's everything? Okay, and you don't want her flying at all, not even if she moves her seat? Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to, what's her name? Camille Fair. All right, have her come up here.
Yes. She's in 13E. She's supposed to sit in this seat. She don't want to go.
Well, now the captain says no, it doesn't matter.
She want to get out.
So can you ask her to come up here, please?
She's not going to come.
Not gonna come.
She said you have to drag her because she's not going nowhere. That's what she said.
Unless you leave that reference here.
3 Kilo 1. Give me a 49 commercial flyer for Terminal 1.
Hello, Camille? How are you? Deputy Soto.
I'm grieving is actually how I'm doing. I'm trying to get to a funeral.
I'm sorry.
Today.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sorry about that.
Today.
But now...
I'm sitting in my assigned seat.
No, you're supposed to be at 37E.
No.
Ma'am.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody
It's right
up?
here.
It's also right here.
That's a screenshot, ma'am.
It's the app, view my boarding pass. Why would I make that up? Why would I make that up? It's unspirited spirit. You think I'm going to waste my time?
Ma'am, it says 13E.
That's where I am.
All right, give me a minute. Let me see your phone. Listen,
No, I'm trying
to help you.
Are you?
Yes,
because isn't everyone else seen it?
I came here respectfully.
I understand that, but I've been so
I'm trying to help you.
disrespected.
Let
Do
me
you
show it to the
understand? I'm just trying
captain.
to get
I understand.
to Chicago.
But right
I have
now,
a funeral
this is the thing.
tonight.
But this is the
I've been
thing.
working all
Okay,
day.
I understand.
I don't work
You're
for
not-
Spirit.
I know that.
But you're tired.
Okay.
I'm trying to be
I'm
patient.
trying-
I've lost my zen.
Okay, relax. Relax. Just take it down just a little. I'm trying to help you.
Then talk to them.
Let me go talk to them, but I need to see the phone. I'm going to give it right back. I'm on body camera. I'm not going to take your phone.
I don't think that you're going to take my phone. I would just like to have my body camera.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Okay. Let me see what
I'm
I can
not
do.
from Florida.
Let me see what I can do. Okay? If you're correct, then everything should
Why
be
would
fine.
I make this up?
Well, because everything is here saying that you're supposed to be in 37E. So I don't know what the mix-up is.
They mixed it up, which
Give me
they
1
need
minute.
to fix.
Let me see.
That's not
That's
my
the app, right?
Yes,
it's the
it
app.
is.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Let me talk to the captain.
That's not correct.
Hey, sir. I know it's on her app, though.
Yeah, but if she refreshed, she would have seen her seat.
A screenshot.
Okay.
That's a screenshot.
Yeah, screenshot. 24 hours.
She opened it up for me, so show me how.
Yeah, let him show you his.
Let me see.
And then ours too. Yeah.
This is on her wallet. I understand she didn't. Hey, sir. There's an issue with her. On her app, it's saying 13E. So the thing is, with the ticket, her and Spirit, something happened. But she's supposed to be, as from when she originally purchased the ticket, it said 13E. But now she's being told she got to go. So I understand her not wanting to leave, but something's got to give with her and Spirit. Then it's not. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to kick somebody off who doesn't deserve to be kicked off because of an error. That's my concern.
Here's my concern. If she's not complying with the flight instructions, that's a no bueno.
No, I understand that.
Flight instructions on the airplane, she's not complying with the air. I don't want her on the airplane.
No, I understand that.
This Spirit Airlines incident at Fort Lauderdale presents a textbook application of federal aviation authority. The controlling statute is Title 49 of the United States Code, Section 44902, subsection B. This provision grants air carriers permissive refusal authority over any passenger deemed inimical to safety. Federal courts review this discretion only for arbitrariness, as established in Williams v. Trans World Airlines. The Ninth Circuit reinforced this deference in Cordero v. Compañía Mexicana de Aviación. Once the captain decides a passenger will not fly, no constitutional right compels boarding or continued occupancy. This federal authority is the foundation. Everything that follows flows from it as a matter of legal consequence. The next layer is state law. Florida statutes, Section 8 to 10.08 governs trespass in a conveyance. The statute criminalizes refusing to depart after warning by an authorized person. The aircraft cabin qualifies as a conveyance. The captain qualifies as an authorized person. The warning was issued and refused, perfecting probable cause. At that moment, the encounter ceased to be a customer service dispute and became a misdemeanor in progress.
I don't know, but I'm going to tell you right now. What's your name again?
Why don't you ask them?
I'm speaking to you. What's your name?
My name is. Oh, my name.
I don't know your name because I didn't speak to you. So let's have a conversation like two human beings. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you. Listen, that's fine. You don't want to have a conversation? That's fine. Let me tell you what's gonna happen.
What is there a conversation?
You're gonna come off the plane. If you refuse to come off the plane, I'm gonna take this. I'll give you your last warning. You refuse to come off the plane, you're gonna go to jail today. I'm gonna deplane everyone off the plane. I'm gonna drag you off the plane. That's fine. I'll give you my last warning. All right. She says she's not coming off.
Off the aircraft whenever that happens. 15039 from the aircraft.
I tried.
No, you did.
I tried.
No, I heard you.
I tried. I tried. It happened.
We came here was the police. We were the police.
Yeah, they were here earlier for a different flight. No, different flight. 36 earlier, different flight. An incoming flight. Huh? To where?
So mom and daughter underneath.
While they're waiting, let me get a picture of your ID.
Captain ID as well?
Yep. Let me get a picture of your ID. Oh, you have your ID on you?
Yeah, absolutely. I just talked to the chief pilot. Third time it's happened today. Just to let you know. Twice in Atlanta, this is the third time.
Oh, really? It's one of those days.
Here's the other thing. She's in a accident. You got somebody emotionally disturbed and upset, and now they're in an accident.
Yeah. Who knows if she's becoming a... Yeah. What is your...
You're not saying people lied.
No.
I don't think anybody ever lied to me in all my years on the police department. Nobody ever lied to me.
Yeah. What's your phone number, sir?
954.
Yeah, honestly, there were some people wanting to give up their seats for her.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was too late. I thought they were exiting out. Hey, I'll give up my seat for her. I'm like, too late. You know, I don't even think that would have helped. You know?
No, she's not moving out. She's just...
She's adamant because of the fact it says, and I told her, I said, this happened to me before. I showed up for my flight, my seat was changed. Because, and it says it right there, it says, you know, subject to change.
Yeah.
It happened. We try, but it is what it is. That's it.
Sergeant's on the way to stand by.
All right. Yeah, she's the supervisor, right?
Yeah.
Let me get your information. You just start, well, welcome to Fort Lauderdale. I tried to help her. Yeah, that's what we do. That's why we deplane the plane, yeah.
You gotta come on board. You gonna come off the plane? Or we gonna let us use force against you? Alright.
You really want to go to jail? You really want to go to jail?
I'll be the first officer I've been before.
Okay, let's not make it a second time or a third time. Let's just get off the plane. This is the final chance. Because once the handcuffs go on,
I'm not
there's
doing
there's no negotiating.
That's it.
Either get off the plane or go to jail.
I'm not doing anything.
One last chance. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail.
What am I doing?
I'm not going to tell you. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail. You choose right now. What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Disorderly conduct under Florida Statutes Section 877.03 offers a secondary charging theory. Florida courts require corrupt acts that affect the peace and quiet of persons who witness them. The demand to deplane all passengers, combined with sustained disruption, plausibly satisfies that statutory threshold. A more serious concern arises under Florida Statutes Section 831.01 addressing forgery. If a fabricated boarding document was knowingly displayed to deceive law enforcement, this elevates the criminal exposure substantially. On the use of force question, the controlling authority remains Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989. Force must be objectively reasonable under the totality of circumstances, viewed from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision. Here, the operative force was officer presence and verbal command. No strikes, no weapons, no restraint techniques beyond escort holds. This is constitutionally unimpeachable. Atwater v. Lago Vista further confirms custodial arrest is permitted for minor misdemeanors. Deputy Soto earns a B+. The pre-contact investigation, conversational opening, and structured countdown reflect sound technique. Audible frustration during the final exchanges and the absence of an explicit lawful order framing prevent a higher mark. The passenger receives a D. Federal preemption of carrier authority left her no legal ground to occupy. Voluntary departure at the final warning is the only fact preventing a failing grade and additional resisting charges. The Spirit Airlines crew and pilot receive an A- for following proper escalation protocol and lawful command authority.
Off the plane?
Hold on, Q. Wait,
or off
give
the
us
plane
some
and go
time.
to jail. Pick one.
He's asking you, please stand up and walk off.
5.
If you stand up and walk off, you can rebook.
3, 2,
If not, you're going to jail.
1. All right. Let's go. Come on. Stand up.
10-4. It's going with your stuff.
In the bag.
Put it in. That's your only bag, ma'am?
Is somebody ramside? Yep, I can see him. Hey, Q, you want to bring a ramside? Yeah.
We ran time, we're right through here, right? Right through here. Yep. What's going on? Can you open it?
No, I don't have that. Someone had the code?
I got it. Got it?
Careful now. Don't get me in no trouble.
We're gonna go.
Quieres una parte para el derecho por la otra, quieres una parte por el derecho.
Nope.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. The lesson for passengers is straightforward. The captain's decision to refuse transport is effectively final under federal law. Disputes over seat assignments belong in customer service channels after the flight, never in standoffs that invite criminal charges. The lesson for officers is the value of investigative humility before enforcement, paired with clear consequence statements when negotiation fails. The lesson for carriers is the importance of proactive seat change communication, which would eliminate the predicate for many such confrontations. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.